Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A7 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find About Phone. Now let's enter the version and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock. Now we can go back to the general settings and enter additional settings. Here scroll down and enter developer options and scroll down again to find automatic system updates. Simply tap on the switcher to turn on this option, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.